Deputy President, as a leader of this country, I want to call for peace and calm. I want to say that this is our own country, we have no other country. And I want to ask the people of Kenya to make peace, observe peace, and keep away from violence. The young generation, Gen Z, as your father, my sons and daughters, we have heard you. You've spoken very clearly. The message is home. What you started as peaceful protests, unfortunately, have been infiltrated and hijacked by criminals with criminal intent, who are now engaged in looting and creating mayhem. I want to, as a father, as a parent, to appeal to my children, my sons and daughters. Listen to us as your parents. I think if you agree, we want to plead with you to call off the protests so that criminals do not hijack them and engage in criminal activities. The president has already acceded to your plea to be heard, and you will be heard. But anytime now you call for protests, criminals with bad intent are hijacking and using that opportunity to loot, to steal, and to cause mayhem. As our children, you owe this country peace. Please consider, now that you have been heard, don't allow these criminals an opportunity to take advantage of what you had started in good faith with a message to the country, infiltrate and hijack and bring chaos to our beautiful country. That is my plea as a parent to my children. And I want to say that now that you have been heard, a mechanism is being worked on how the issues that you think needs to be addressed will be addressed. Once you call off your protests, then our security agencies will be in a position to deal firmly and decisively with criminals in accordance with the laws of this country.